Hello, today I'll show you how to use Adobe Animate rigging with Flexibones. So here's a quick demo of the Flexibones effect, and then we'll get right started. Here we are. So go to File and then New. Open up a new document or a new stage. Hit Create. That's my stage there. So I go to the blob brush and I just paint a starfish, It can be any character you want. I chose a starfish, something with points, so I can move them around. So that's my starfish there, very roughly drawn. Then I go to the Asset Warp tool, and don't forget to hit Tool first, and then go to Flexi. There's hard, soft, and Flexibones. We want the Flexibones. One click, top, middle, side, middle, another point, and another point. So here's the mesh. So as soon as we click on the Asset Warp tool, a mesh is created as normal. So go to Insert Keyframe, move the arm, insert keyframe again, insert keyframe, move, insert keyframe again. Then we get the legs. Insert keyframe. Then stretch the leg out. Use the handle to maneuver it. So they're more precise controls with the Flexibones. Grab the other leg, move it. Use the handles. So we're going to make this starfish dance. And then click away in the selection tool and then press play. So that's how to rig with the Flexibones in Adobe Animate. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe.